Hi, welcome here at the Sci Intelligence Conference 2015. We are looking at artificial intelligence here, intelligent systems, and looking at what that will bring to the world, to our society. Many speakers here, many sessions, interesting stuff. If you want to know more, please go to the Intellisys Conference website or sign up to the YouTube channel Sci Conference. With me, Susanne Frank. You have been speaking here on what topic?
I had a presentation on ambient assisted living for elderly people.
Ambient assisted living for elderly people. Can you explain what that is?
That's kind of how do we manage that elderly people in the future are able to live longer at home. At least that's
the idea.
That's the idea. Yeah.
And how do we do that?
We've done literature research for finding out actually that there are many problems still not solved, but there are a lot of different approaches.
Yeah.
I'm actually a building physicist, so most of the technologies are monitoring technologies. And we get them from ICT people mostly.
And monitoring systems means cameras?
Monitoring systems, that means different kind of sensors. Most of them are actually ambient and environmental sensors, like measuring temperature, humidity, but as well smoke, for example, or occupancy of your seat, for example, or a bed for an elderly.
So there will be a sensor telling a system that I'm on this chair, and if I suddenly disappear, there might be something wrong.
There might be something wrong. Exactly that.
Yeah. And where will this bring us? Elderly can live at home longer.
We hope so.
Yeah.
They can live at home longer, alone or with assistance of their relatives, for example. With the idea that they can live at home securely with dignity. And enjoy their life, improving their life quality.
Yeah. In combination probably with robotic aid, etc.
Probably in the future.
Maybe not your field, but if we combine things. If you look at the future of artificial intelligence and intelligent systems, what do you think that our society will look like in 10, 15, 20 years?
I don't know. But what I really expect is that our homes will have applied many different sensor technologies. They will support us. Sensors or technologies that now are just applied in, for example, hospitals. They will be just normal, I think. We will collect every data we can just get, and we'll try to make something out of it.
Yeah.
And that's what I think will come. But I'm not the IT guy, so
you're not IT and not a guy, definitely. Yes.
Definitely.
Looking at your specific field, what is your main challenge for the next few years?
My main challenge is I'm a building physicist. Yeah. We want to support welfare technology, ambient assisted living, all the monitoring technologies with kind of maybe adapting the buildings to the challenges monitoring technologies have.
Okay, so a different way of building in order to make it possible to have the systems there.
Either a different kind of building, or I hope for retrofitting actually. How we can adapt a building, an existing building, that it can cope with different sensors and their challenges. Like, for example, building materials can influence sensor transmitting. For example, refractions from wall ceilings and so on. Yeah. Or you have transmissions through walls where you don't want to have that. Then we can think of solutions. Yeah. What can we do, for example? Or
so refit the building to make it work, in fact.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. How soon will that happen, you hope?
I don't think that soon, because I think, or at least I haven't seen that somebody tried that before.
Maybe
but
you should.
That's actually my point, and I hope that people inventing these monitoring technologies, the sensor technologies, they could come and approach me and talk to me about what are actually the challenges and how can we help.
I hope they will find. So if there's anybody out there having these kind of systems, talk to this lady. Interesting stuff here, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to know more, see everything about speakers, sessions, etc., please go to the Intellisys Conference 2015 websites or sign up to the YouTube channel SciConference. Thank you.